Samsung's Galaxy S10 is going to be announced at their Unpacked event on February 20th, and there's recently been a ton of leaks surrounding specs and final design. We're expecting 3 different models, including the S10 Plus, which is said to be packing some pretty impressive performance specs. The question for a lot of us is if the iPhone XS is still going to hold the crown for the fastest smartphone available. Hit that like button and we'll go through all the recent S10 leaks and see what we should expect on February 20th. Last year in April, 91 Mobiles leaked renders of the Galaxy S10 Plus, featuring a bezel-less design with a hole-punch dual-lens selfie camera on the front of the phone. Earlier this year, we also saw images of the regular S10 model with a single-lens hole punch instead, and we've seen multiple leaked images that basically confirm what the front will look like. There was also a rumor of the S10 featuring reverse wireless charging, which was almost confirmed by a leaked, legit-looking render of the Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Buds sitting on top of the S10. The Galaxy Buds are meant to be a direct rival to Apple's AirPods, and yes, we will definitely be doing a comparison video between the two, so subscribe now so you don't miss out. The S10 Plus is set to feature a dual lens camera in the front and a triple lens camera in the back, as seen by these seemingly official leaked renders. The cheaper S10 model would keep the triple lens rear camera but switch to a single lens in the front. Both of those models are set to support a fingerprint sensor under the display. The even cheaper S10e may not support in-display fingerprint sensing tech and will simply have a dual lens camera on the back, just like the Note 9. Now let's talk about performance. Geekbench 4 benchmark scores from the Galaxy S10 Plus's Snapdragon 855 processor have been leaked, featuring a 3,413 single-core and 10,256 multi-core scores. The Equinox 9820 powered model was also leaked with scores of 4,382 single-core and 9,570 multi-core. Interestingly, those scores put the S10 Plus on par with the iPhone X from 2017. The iPhone XS, XS Max, and XR completely blow both processors out of the water, with a single-core score of 4,795 and a multi-core score of 11,267. So from those leaks, the latest iPhones really don't have anything to worry about, since Samsung's 2019 smartphone will most likely pack these underpowered processors. On top of that, iPhones are usually better optimized for performance and RAM management. Also leaked was some Antutu benchmark scores, with the S10 Plus scoring 325,000 points, still less than the iPhone XS's record holding 352,000 points, so the iPhone doesn't really have anything to worry about in terms of graphics either. Apple has been doing a great job of increasing processor performance every year for the last few years, so we're expecting future iPhones to hold the performance crown as well. Back to Samsung S10 leaks, Evan Blass posted a seemingly official image of the Galaxy S10 lineup, looking similar to a Galaxy Note 9, except with the long and narrow camera bump and the removal of the fingerprint sensor. FCC filings also showed that the Galaxy S10 could be one of the first devices to support Wi-Fi 6, which has also been rumored for the 2019 iPhones. So with all those leaks, there's no doubt that the Galaxy S10 is going to be a great lineup of phones, packing some new tech we're hoping to see in future iPhones as well. As far as performance, we expect the iPhone XS to outperform the new S10 devices, and we'll be comparing everything from performance to camera quality as soon as they get released, so make sure to subscribe for that. What are your thoughts on the upcoming Galaxy S10? Let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.